What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We got some lemon cucumber here. And freshly picked straight out the garden. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. We finna hook this up in a simple cucumber salad. And it's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and give our cucumber a rinse. Now this cucumber, it has like little, I don't know what you would call it, I guess spikes or spines sticking out of it. And since I plan on eating the skin, I want to make sure I rinse those off. Gonna rinse it off real good too, y'all. Real good. After we get our cucumber thoroughly rinsed, these are our ingredients: tomatoes, onions, and that cucumber. So let's go ahead and get these cut up. We're gonna start off with our garden fresh tomatoes. Now, we have some sun sugars here, some regular cherry tomatoes, and I forget the name of these. I've been calling them little bells, but I know that's not what they is. Anybody know the name of these tomatoes? Hit me up in the comments and let me know so I can remember, because I definitely want to grow them again. But anyway, we just gonna dice up a small red onion. And we're gonna simply thinly cut our lemon cucumber. Now you can cut it thicker if that's your preference, but for me, I want mine thinly cut. So once we get our cucumbers cut up, we're gonna arrange them out, because I want to make sure I have a little salt on all my cucumbers. That's just me, y'all. You can skip this step if you're not worried about the salt, but I am. That salt make that cucumber tasty to me, so I gotta have it. So we're gonna rain on it with the salt, and then we're gonna get it into our bowl with the rest of our ingredients. Now my wife, she's not a cucumber fan, so this is all for me, y'all. So I have this little concoction. It's just vinegar, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. And we're just gonna pour that right on top. And then we're gonna give that a mixy mix. And that's our salad dressing, y'all. Now usually I use this not only for salads, but sometimes I put it on like my sub sandwiches. You know how they do. That little oil and vinegar mix on that sub sandwich, always tasty. So yeah, I got me a slice of cucumber, and let's go ahead and give this a taste. Now just to let y'all know, it still tastes like a cucumber. I know they called it a lemon cucumber. Don't expect the lemon flavor, y'all. Don't expect it. Get a taste of that tomato. Hey, I'm gotta give me another piece of cucumber too. And a little onion. Get them flavors together. And oh yeah, y'all, I enjoyed my salad. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.